know. I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying it. It's nice.
Okay.
It's nice. Feels great. But you know, everybody faces ups and downs in life. In your career, always there are ups and downs. The important thing is that you don't get too carried away with success, and you don't get too bogged down when there's failure, because films are collaborative. It's everybody's effort together, so you can't take the brunt of failure entirely on yourself, and you can't take the credit for all the success just by yourself. There is a director, there is a whole team that works, so you kind of adopt a middle path. You realize that the most important thing is that you, from your end, as in the capacity of an actor, go out there on a film set and you do your best every day on every film, on every day of shoot of every film. Success and failure is not akele mein you're doing. You know, there are a lot of factors involved. So important to not get carried away. It's important to not get too bogged down. So like the Buddhists preach, you should adopt a middle path.
Okay, thank you.
Enjoy the
सुशांत मुझे प्यार देके क्यों नहीं गया? नोटिस किया आपने?
सर वो भी वायरस से शायद बाहर निकल गए इसलिए।
शायद हो सकता है।
सर सच में
Come, we're gonna do the Facebook Live.
टीके को ऑल द बेस्ट कर दें, उनकी भी फिल्म आ रही है।
सुशांत के बारे में जिक्र किया।
हाँ जी, सब जो भी गया प्यार देके गया, सवाए उसके, पता नहीं क्यों, पूछूंगा मैं अंदर।
बात तो करते हैं ना वायर ऑफ टैलेंट।
हाँ जी,
वायर ऑफ टैलेंट जो रहे वो एक्सपायर।
हाँ एक्स।
Thank you guys. We need to finish the Facebook Live.
हाँ, बस अभी मैं जाऊँ? क्या यार, भगा रहे हो यार मेरे को, डायलॉग बुलवा दिया और फिर क्या क्या डायलॉग बुलवा दिया और गाना गवा दिया। गाना नहीं गाया, गाना भी गवा दिया, डांस नहीं कराया। म्यूजिक बजाओ तो हम डांस करें। मैं वैसे अपना खुद का बूम बॉक्स लेके घूमता हूँ। हाँ, अक्सर मैं एक्चुअली फिल्म फेयर वालों ने बैन किया हुआ है कि अब आप रेड कार्पेट पे अपना बूम बॉक्स नहीं लेके आ सकते। थोड़ा अपने इमोशंस को कंट्रोल करें, थोड़ा अपने बिहेवियर को कायदे में लाएं। Curbing my enthusiasm.
We love you the way you are. Natural.
एक बार लास्ट, लेकिन आपको साथ में बोलना पड़ेगा। सब लोग बोलो ओके।
हाँ जी, how are you all?
Sir, how is the New Year treating you? The boxer look is out there for everyone to see.
It's been very exhausting. एक तो एक फिल्म रिलीज करते करते हालत ख़राब हो जाती है। अभी दो हैं, तो एक दिन आधा दिन चेन्नई, आधा दिन बॉम्बे, फिर वापस चेन्नई, फिर बॉम्बे, मतलब बेहाल हो गया हूँ मैं तो।
Sir, how much have you gained for this?
Money or weight?
Well, both.
No, actually I've gained a lot of muscles, but it's been it's not easy यार। मद्रासी हूँ, थोड़ा बॉडी चलाने में थोड़ा टाइम लगता है, but it's been worth it.
How important is an award to you, a commercial award? Does it hold any significance these days?
It's always fun to meet the fraternity. You get a chance to meet your friends and your colleagues, and I'm sure getting an award is a thrill. अभी तक मुझे मिला नहीं, जब मिलेगा मैं आपको बता दूँगा।
Sir, boxer-wise, who has inspired you, from real life ones?
I think one of the greatest boxers ever to live was Muhammad Ali, so I've been a huge fan of his.
So, what kind of homework have you done? Did you watch all those videos of those great boxers to prepare for this?
Not only did I watch all his videos, मैंने उनके मतलब सारे जो बाउट्स हैं उन्हें देखे हैं, उनके बारे में जितने किताब लिखे गए हैं वो सारे पढ़े मैंने। बॉक्सिंग के जितने टेक्निक्स है वो सब सीखी। 7 महीने से मैं बॉक्सिंग सीख रहा हूँ। It was good fun.
Is it difficult to maintain this?
हाँ यार, बहुत डिफिकल्ट है ये। एक तो है बाल झाड़ो, वही बहुत बड़ी बात है। अभी लड़कियों की तरह बाल दाढ़ी सब कुछ, इट्स क्वाइट डिफिकल्ट।
Could you pose for the camera, the boxing style?
Of course, there you go, there. Whatever you want me to do. Thank
Thank
you.
you. Sushant, wait.
Good evening, Sushant and Ankita.
Good evening.
How were the holidays and New Year?
Superb.
See, I have no memories because till 30th I was shooting. 31st we went to some place, and I don't remember. What the? Why are you screwing my interview, man? Come on.
देखा
Sushant, Ranveer was just saying आप मिले नहीं उनसे ऐसे
हाँ।
चले गए।
ऐसे होता है,
ऐसे ही होता है।
ऐसे कोई करता है।
वैसे तो मेरा इंटरव्यू खराब कर रहा है यार।
भाई को प्यार नहीं देगा,
मैं नहीं खेल रहा बस।
हाय हेलो भी नहीं करेगा।
कोई बात
और दिल दुखा दिया तूने मेरा।
ये भी कौन है मुझे बता दादा।
ओके अभी मेरा बॉयफ्रेंड एनीवेज लाइक मेरा बॉयफ्रेंड है
मोहित आया मोहित।
अभी मैं आंसर
कंटिन्यू प्लीज, सॉरी।
थैंक यू
Always screws up my interview. Sorry, yes.
We were just finishing the holidays.
Yeah, so then something happened and I don't remember a thing.
Ankita, आप बताएं थोड़ा elaborate करें.
बहुत मज़े किए बहुत मज़ा आया
Ankita enjoyed a lot.
आई एम श्योर सबको मज़ा आता है न्यू ईयर्स पे सो आई रियली
Do
एंजॉय
you remember things?
या ऑफ कोर्स
You
आई
do?
यस आई
Do
डू
you have pictures?
यस
Send it to me.
आई
We are
विल
looking forward to MS Dhoni.
Yeah.
Have you finished shooting for the role entirely? How difficult has it been shooting for a biopic of that magnitude?
See, every time you play a character, it's very difficult. I mean, like the most difficult part is to convince yourself that you're the character. But yes, playing somebody who is everybody has a very strong visual reference of, so you need to actually imitate at the same time make yourself believe that you're the character. It's slightly tricky. Let's see. I've given my best.
Ankita,
Disha Patani is playing one of the roles of one of the love interests of Dhoni. So, have you finished?
Somebody from the studio will make the announcement.
Ankita,
I'm definitely playing Dhoni.
कोई बात नहीं यार पूछ लो
मधुबाला पता है?
ओह माय गॉड पूछो यार क्या है
मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि वो फरवरी आ गया है. Like you told us like January, February, we will decide.
आस्क हिम शादी राइट
Yeah.
आस्क हिम यही पूछता है हमेशा से सवाल वो
December, for sure.
अगला दिसंबर.
This December.
अगला
Yeah.
12 महीने 11 महीने.
Bus.
नहीं
Would it be a destination wedding?
Are you asking me or are you scaring me? Tell me that. Are you like scaring?
we are getting married in December
Of course.
okay December guys it's December
Decided. नहीं but December 2016 or what? Like जो बच्चे साथ
2016 December.
oh god
He's
it's
scaring me.
okay
He's trying to scare
it's our marriage
He's trying to
शायद महेंद्र सिंह धोनी के ड्रामा ने अजहर उद्दीन पे भी बायोपिक बन गया जिसमें इमरान हाशमी मेन किरदार निभाया है। तो क्या किसी तरीके का एक कंपटीशन हो जाता है
कैसे competition
Because
होता है?
compare
मतलब I
हो
think
जाता है कहीं ना कहीं
नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं because these two are like completely two different personalities in two completely different decades and their stories are completely different. So I don't think we're making a film on cricket. We're making a film on Azhar and Dhoni who are like diametrically opposite. So I don't think there's
अंकिता सुशांत अभी स्टार बन गए. How do you see him? ये देखो.
How do you
How
see?
do you perceive him now?
मैं सुपरस्टार हूँ it doesn't matter
अंकिता आपको कहाँ देखने वाली
You like Snap on it. Do you get possessive about him?
no
Elaborate.
no
तो विस्तार से.
नहीं मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हमेशा मेरे पीछे है like he loves me and he's always there for me so I don't need to be possessive about
Why you not
Sushant.
happy?
I think you're not happy I'm very sure
Always been happy about both of you.
then ऐसे क्यों आग लगा रहे हो हमारे बीच are you possessive
And next आप आएंगी फिल्मों में.
I think she's.
अंकिता अभी
I think
कहाँ देखेंगे हम आपको
अंकिता
You
सुनने में
will
आया कि
see
आपने
me somewhere.
सलमान खान का भी ऑडिशन दिया था. Was it true?
I think she's too lazy to do.
yeah
any of
actually
it right now.
I'm too lazy to
She gets up at. I'll tell you what the secret. She gets up at 4 in the afternoon
no
and tells me good morning. So this is what's happening in.
but it's okay I've worked hard so I'm happy in my
Yes,
life
it's right.
Happening अंकिता. Seriously.
no nothing
अंकिता any plans to come to TV again?
मुझसे भी पूछ लो यार कोई
I don't know anything right I'm not doing anything trust me I'm not doing it all
bowling करिए और ये batting करेंगे.
huh
You will bowl and you will bat.
I think there is
Oh yeah. Thank you. Thank you guys.
अच्छा ऐसे
हाँ.
हाँ भाई नहीं है.
हैप्पी न्यू ईयर करण.
हैप्पी न्यू ईयर.
कितना मिस कर रहा है भारत देश आपको.
मैं अभी वापस आया हूँ 2 दिन हो गए. अरे
From
ये
one,
है बेस्ट एक्टर 2015.
अरे!
मैंने announce कर लिया.
from one style icon to another.
हाँ. Give them back. My don't say them.
Karan, you're looking so hot. So hot. You're looking so dapper.
Are you leaving?
So dapper. No, I'm leaving with you.
Are you coming to
Oh.
do taxis park?
Finally, you're buttoning your double breast. I was so upset with you last night.
Because of it. Achha, why are we talking to each other? I'm going to say you have to give bites. हाँ, come. हाँ.
I was here for half an hour.
It's okay. Spend 5 minutes. I have nothing more to say. हाँ. Yes.
बाकी काम बाद में
Would you be hosting any segment in Filmfare?
I think so. I'm not sure.
best host in the business.
I just announced you as Best Actor 2015. It's a mutual admiration society. Well, I'm looking forward to Filmfare. I think I've been hosting, ever since I was born. So I think being at
Are you
Filmfare
coming
turf
to give lifetime achievement?
I am lifetime achievement. I think eventually I'll be giving myself that award very soon. हाँ जी, और कोई सवाल करना था आपको या मेरा हो गया?
Lifetime is just full of achievements.
Karan, we are also waiting for Adil Mushkil. How's the chemistry between
I'm also waiting for Adil Mushkil.
Ranbir and Aishwarya turned out to be.
Well,
Karan narrated some scenes to me from Adil Mushkil and I fell off the sofa laughing.
this is my interview.
It's okay. I just gave this out.
So tell us about Adil Mushkil.
Well, I don't want to reveal too much, it's too early, but it'll release Diwali this year and I hope everybody enjoys the vibe of the film.
No, but anything on the chemistry between Ranbir and Aishwarya.
Well, who knows who's with who in the film? Nobody knows.
So also one more thing, Karan, we know that you'll be launching Shahrukh son Aryan. What kind of a film?
No, I just said it. Like, Aryan is like my son. So if anyone has to launch him, it has to be me. But when that will happen, who knows?
Best friends की photo लो. Sorry, एक minute, sorry.
Come on. Best Director 2015, I have announced.
Is it pre-call?
1 second.
Okay. Hi, he's got his phone ready.
Hi,
Hi.
Dino,
Hi. Yes.
tell us about your experiences at Filmfare. How was it like?
My experiences in the previous what? The awards at the previous parties?
Awards and parties.
Filmfare, amongst the many awards, is one of the more prestigious awards. So it's always been a great experience. There's always some great entertainment, a lot of fun, meet all my colleagues. So it's a great platform to come here and sort of interact. Since we don't all meet very frequently, this is one platform where we all get to meet.
Bollywood is really missing you. When do we see you back on screen?
I hope to see myself this year back on screen. Not back on screen, hopefully, back acting this year and maybe on screen if it releases early next year.
Signed up with you.
I haven't, but I hope to do something this
So
year.
in talks with someone?
Yeah, I'm talking to many people, yeah. But it's a matter of time before something good happens.
Any exciting projects lined up?
I'm hoping so. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
You want to do any?
अच्छा इसका सबका नाम चाहिए एक ना
आइए.
क्या बात कर रहे हो कहा था कि she can do any time आपका Hi Sonakshi.
Hi.
Sonakshi, we are looking forward to the role of Hasina Patil that you would be playing in the film. Tell us how challenging it would be.
I think I should talk about Akira and Force 2 right now. And yeah, look, I'm looking forward to those two roles definitely.
Alright. How has your memory been with Filmfare?
It's been fantastic actually. I think the first time I ever went on stage was at the Filmfare Awards where my dad took me to present an award. I presented one to Yashji also, and I remember very clearly to Karan also. I think I gave him his debut director award, so that was very special.
Your father Shatru sir has released his book. What are your favorite portions in the book? Anything that has really got
My favorite portions are when he talks about his childhood years, which are certain things that I didn't know about even as a daughter, because I guess you just skip those at some point when you're talking. But I'm getting to read so much about him and know so much about him, and makes it so much more clear the kind of person that he is and who he's become today. And I'm really, really proud of him.
Social media is also abuzz with the portion that he's written about Bachchan Saab as well. Have you read those? What is your take on this?
That is an equation between my dad and Mr. Bachchan, and I think they are both very clear about the relationship that they've shared in the past, the relationship that they share now. They have been friends, they have been contemporaries, they have been competitors, and I guess it's all in the game. So I don't think if either Mr. Bachchan or my dad have an issue with it, nobody else should.
सोनाक्षी, आपके मॉम और डैड ने बोला था कि जब सोनाक्षी चाहे तब वो शादी के बंधन में बन सकते हैं, तो क्या सोना सोच रही है कि
तो आपको बड़ी जल्दी है हाँ, मतलब आप मुझे खुश नहीं देख सकते अभी फिलहाल नहीं, कुछ सोचा तो है नहीं, बट आई एम श्योर कि जब समय सही होगा, पहले कोई मिलने तो दो यार
Sonakshi, any performances lined up in Filmfare this year?
No, unfortunately not this year. Yeah, but looking forward to the function right now.
How's the new year begun for you?
Fantastic. It's been a great year so far. I have a good feeling about this year as well, and hopefully I'll make it better than the last one. Done? Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
वो क्या है?
How are you?
This is coming nicer.
Namaste.
How's the new year begun for you?
Sorry?
How's the new year started? How's the new year?
Amazing. Awesome. और आपका? Great.
So what are you up to? Are you doing any movies this year?
Yes, of course I am. So yeah, but nothing that I can share at the moment.
Your performance at the recent awards function was really applauded.
कौन सा?
Afghan.
Oh, Afghan Jalebi, Big Star Entertainment, right? Oh, thank you so much. No, I'm not, as per my knowledge. But, thank you.
Now yours.
Done.
Good evening, Anushka.
Anushka, been waiting for you eagerly.
New Year, you
Thank
have
you.
clinched the deal.
Eh? What?
Finally, your movie will
यार आप यहाँ पे आ रहे हो, चेयर खड़ी हुई है, मतलब वो आप ही आ रहे हो, तब हमेशा कॉर्नर में जाके खड़े हो जाते हो और आप ही सवाल पूछते हो. हाँ बोलिए.
The deal is with you now. You are the Sultan.
I I'm not the Sultan. Salman is only the Sultan.
Like, what are you?
Firstly, I'm thrilled to be working with Salman. I think there's nobody like him because of his persona, and the film is something that I'm really really excited about. My role is something that I'm extremely excited about. So I think all in all, it's seeming like something that I'm just waiting to dig my teeth into.
Anushka, last year in the month of September, somewhere in the month of September, there were speculations that you would be a part of Sultan. And I remember you tweeting saying that no, it's not true. So what happened? I mean,
Because I wasn't doing the film at that time.
how did all of this fall in place?
See, the thing is that I'm not going to dwell into what happened, but I'm just concerned with what's happening right now. And what's happening right now is that I'm doing the film, and I'm very happy to be a part.
अनुष्का अभी तो सिर्फ पिक्चर आए फोटो उससे पहले लोग इतने उत्साहित हो गए कि यू हैव बिकम द मोस्ट PVVIP फॉर द फिल्म फेयर रेड कार्पेट इवेंट
Okay. But is there a question or what? Are you giving?
Yeah, I'm like just awaiting your expressions and your answer on this. Like the most happening celebrity now in the film industry.
Are you giving me a compliment?
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Responded. So now
I'm saying thank you, matlab aur kya?
all three cars would have worked.
Actually, that's true. Yeah, that's true. So yeah, I mean, it's great. I think it's something that I'll always be very proud of at the end of my life, and something that I can always look back and be happy about, that I got to work with all three amazing, firstly actors and people, Salman, Amir and Shah Rukh. And yeah, I think the kind of experience that they have for anybody to just work with them. I think it's like a life experience that you get, and I definitely feel that when I did a film with Shah Rukh, like 2 films with Shah Rukh and with Amir, I felt like I had learned a lot more. Like I felt that growth, you know. So I think that's what these people have. They've been working for like over 20 years, and it's a great feeling, and I feel very humbled by the opportunity.
Anushka, Sultan and Raees will be releasing probably as of now together. What do you have to say about like the clash?
there could be a clash between Sultan and Raees at the box office.
Huh?
We've seen the clash between Bajirao and Dilwale that happened. So what is your take on this box office?
I think, personally, I feel if films are good, how many other films release in a day? I think there's enough audience there and they have enough enough appetite for good films. So I don't think that really, in my personal opinion, I don't think that matters.
Anushka, also, is Sultan a true heroine project or is it only a solo hero?
No, it's just me.
अच्छा आप producer हैं, you are welcome.
That's what
Anushka, just pose for the cameras. Anushka.
Maybe.
Suraj, we have seen that in past, whenever you receive awards, you get a wee bit emotional. So,
Yeah.
how would it be?
Because the journey has been tough. It's not easy being an actor. You know, I thought it would have been easy, but it's so tough. And being on that stage and getting an award with the entire family there, it's just a good feeling, you know. So I don't know. And I'm a very real person, so whatever I feel, it just comes out. I'm just real, so maybe I can't hold back my emotions, so it comes out.
Salman Khan will be the showstopper at the main event. So anything that you want to say about that?
Tonight?
No, not tonight, at the main event.
I don't know. I don't know. अभी तक invitation का वो पास आया नहीं.
No, we are telling you that's you. So it's confirmed for sure. So any reactions on those?
Salman sir, well, I'm sure it'll be cool. Yes, of course. I did not refuse any film. The thing is that we're talking about 2 projects, and both were clashing on the same date. Clashing on the same date. So I had to obviously choose one film, but both were offered to me by T-Series. So I did not. That you ask Bhushan sir.
It's not confirmed yet. It's not confirmed. We're still seeing. Still deciding.
When can we expect an announcement?
Hopefully within a month or two. No, I'm not refused anything. Yeah.
As you are now open up first, can we request for a step over?
I've always had a wonderful time at Film Fair. I think it's one of the most prestigious awards. I'm happy to be here again, and it's a wonderful hotel, so I'm very excited to see the nominees for the Film Fair.
When do we get to see what's happening?
I've been doing a few films down south after I, so my focus has been there, but hopefully very soon I should be doing something in Hindi. I'm just waiting for the right project.
When we don't see Karishma around, maybe come and see.
Sorry?
We don't see Karishma around.
No, Krishna's right now in Delhi. She's performing today. She's doing a show in Delhi, and then she's off to Etwa. Because she does a lot of TV work, and our schedules, TV is a bit more hectic. But we've just finished a show on MTV called Love School, which is currently on air with me and Krishna. And hopefully next time you should see more of us together.
Is marriage on cards anytime soon?
We're already engaged. I think it's just finding the right time. Marriage is definitely on the cards. We've got engaged, so it's just a matter of time.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Well, Filmfare has always been very special. I think for everyone who's been a part of the film industry, it is the biggest Hindi Films Awards. So I have grown up reading Filmfare, and I still do. I make sure that I always get every copy of Filmfare. It's always fun.
When do we see you?
Hopefully soon, inshallah, very, very soon.
Have you signed anything yet?
You will know soon about it.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
Nawaz bhai. Nawaz bhai, you are undoubtedly one of the best actors that Indian cinema probably has today. कैसा लगता है हर अवार्ड फंक्शन पे जब अवार्ड जीते तो क्या महसूस होता है?
अवार्ड जीते तो अच्छा लगता है और नहीं जीते तो अच्छा नहीं लगता।
बट कितना मायने रखता है एक कमर्शियल अवार्ड आपके लाइफ में?
अवार्ड मिलता है अच्छी बात है क्योंकि आपके काम को अप्रिशिएट किया जाता है। अगर नहीं भी मिलता तो इतना ज़्यादा वो डिप्रेशन में या फ्रस्ट्रेशन में नहीं जाना चाहिए क्योंकि मंजिलें और भी होती हैं, है ना। और मेरे लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है कि आप काम करते रहें, लोग अप्रिशिएट करेंगे आपको, आपके काम को ज़रूर सराहेंगे, वो चाहे अवार्ड से हो या ऑडियंस से हो या जो भी आपके फैन हो।
सर, टीम की शूटिंग कैसे चल रही थी और क्या कैसे हुआ आपके साथ कोलैबोरेशन?
3 की शूटिंग मेरी कंप्लीट हो गई है और अभी मैं रईस की कर रहा हूँ शूटिंग। बच्चन साहब का जो कैरेक्टर, मैं उनके प्यार में हूँ, उनके कैरेक्टर के प्यार में हूँ। जो फिल्म की हमने बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा, बहुत सीखने के लिए मिला मुझसे।
सर, लास्ट टाइम आप बजरंगी भाईजान में देखे थे, इस बार रेस में देखेंगे। खबर है कि रेस और सुल्तान का शायद क्लैश हो सकता है बॉक्स ऑफिस में, तो क्या
यार
कहना चाहिए?
ये तो प्रोड्यूसर्स ही बताएंगे, मुझे तो ज़्यादा आइडिया नहीं है।
नवाज जी, काफी दिनों से हम आपको रेड कार्पेट पे देख रहे हैं। कोई डायलॉग हो जाए फिल्म का, मतलब थोड़ा आप जानते ना
कौन सी फिल्म का?
आप जो भी बोलते हैं सर, वो
एक बदलापुर का एक फिल्म का डायलॉग है, वो सुना देता हूँ।
लंबा से सुनाइएगा, लंबा से 30 सेकंड का भी कट नहीं है। क्या सर एक्शन के साथ
एक वो डायलॉग ना जो बालकनी पे होता है, वो
जो आप हिदायत है सर,
तो वो ये है कि मैं खूनी हूँ, मर्डर किया है मैंने, अगर इसको हाथ लगा दिया ना तो फिनिश कर दूंगा, गुड नाइट।
अच्छा एक बहुत सी हो जाए सर,
क्या हो जाए?
हंसते हैं ना सब,
शानदार जबरदस्त जिंदाबाद।
ऐसे नहीं फिल्म के साथ
हम तो सोचे थे भगवान, भूल गया हूँ।
सर एक सेंटर कैमरा के लिए वो किक का डायलॉग ही हो जाए, वो जो हंसने वाला डायलॉग।
किक का कौन सा? मुझे मैं भी
सर वो हंसते हैं ना, दिल का सलाम है।
अच्छा वो
पराठे तक तो हंसी ना।
हाँ शरीफ तो हम भी बहुत थे, पर शराफत से अपनी कभी बनी नहीं. ज़रा हम भी तो देखें कि हमसे बड़ा शैतान कौन पैदा हो गया. जी, अभी मैं जस्ट रईस की शूटिंग ही करके आ रहे हैं, तो बहुत अच्छा काम हो रहा है और इस साल उम्मीद की जा रही है कि बहुत उम्दा फिल्म बनेगी.
सर शाहरुख खान के साथ पहली बार आप पर्दे पे आने वाले हो, तो कैसा लगता है, मतलब हाउ वाज द एक्सपीरियंस बीइंग?
बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस हो रहा है, इतना एक्सपीरियंस है उनको, और जब सेट पे होते हैं तो बहुत हम्बली और बहुत ही अच्छे एक इन्वायरमेंट बनता है जिसमें काम किया जाता है.
So you have acted with Salman and Shah Rukh. Any similarities that you have seen in both this?
सिमिलैरिटी
या सिमिलरिटी या कुछ भी उनकी एक्टिंग शैली में कुछ आपने ऐसा कुछ सिमिलर चीज आ गई?
हर एक्टर का अपना अपना एक अलग तरीका होता है काम करने का. कंपैरिजन तो कुछ नहीं की जा सकती. दोनों महान हैं, दोनों सुपरस्टार हैं, और काफ़ी मुझे जो सबसे अच्छी बात लगती है कि इतने सालों से सस्टेन कर रखा है अपने आप को, तो ये मेरे लिए सीखने वाली बात है.
Have some visuals of us. Yeah, please.
Richa, we'll be seeing. Richa, we'll be seeing you in Sarabjit. How has it been shaping up?
I've only shot a few days yet. I'm excited. We are going to resume shooting in a week.
Okay. Have you met Aishwarya? Do you have scenes of her as well?
Opposite, I don't know. I have scenes with her.
Okay, yeah, I mean, that is good. Alright. Okay. So,
Richa, you are feeling like somewhat not satisfied with the awards that you are getting.
No, I'm very satisfied with the awards. I've won. I don't know about the nomination right now, but I've won an award. My first award for this season came from Masan. I don't know if I'm allowed to name the publication here, so I'll leave it. Lots. I think 2016 is going to be busy. Sarabjit, Cabaret, Jia or Devdas. Yes.
Richa, what are the other products we'll be seeing you this time?
I just told her or Devdas, Sarabjit, Jia and Cabaret.
Richa, could you tell us something about your dress? Like, whom are you wearing and how much time it took for you to get dressed up?
I started getting ready in 1986 and I'm wearing Gaurav Gupta. Thank you.
Michael Costello.
Sonam, tell us about your memories of Filmfare Awards and how has it been like?
I enjoy coming here and I'm here to support all the nominees and winners. I'm happy to be here.
Sonam, Neerja is also shaping up very well. It's getting a lot of positive buzz. What has been the response like from that you have been receiving?
Well, positive till now, and I'm very proud of the film. And hopefully people will watch it when it releases on the 19th of February. I think it's, I don't know if this atmosphere is correct to answer that question, but I've done my very best.
Speaking to Athia,
Yeah.
she was just admiring you and considering yourself.
Okay. Huh. So that's very sweet of her. I really love her a lot.
And what do you think about Ranveer?
Well, he's a character. Lots of fun.
Thank you so much.
नमस्कार. हाय हाय. इनकी पेटलून चेक करो. क्या पेटलून है आपकी? सोबर रियली? मैं वेलवेट पहना है यार मैंने. वेलवेट सूट. दिस इज नॉट इनफ. ये एक कलर, ये दूसरा कलर, ये तीसरा कलर, और मेरी पर्सनालिटी इतनी कलरफुल है. और कितने कलर चाहिए आपको? और कितना कलर चाहिए?
Can we hear some sing or say a dialogue of your movie?
Of my movie?
Yeah, anything.
Hi.
Next you.
मनीष पॉल आए हैं होस्ट हमारे आज रात के. आई थिंक उन्होंने भी वेलवेट ही पहना है. वेलवेट से याद आया पिक्चर की बात करते हैं. जो पिक्चर मैंने की है बाजीराव मस्तानी. आपने कहा आपको डायलॉग सुनना है. डायलॉग सुनना है. कौन सा डायलॉग सुनेंगे आप बताइए. मैं तो जूक बॉक्स हूँ. मैं तो चलता फिरता जूक बॉक्स हूँ.
कुछ गा के सुनाइए.
कुछ गा के.
आपके अंदाज में सर.
क्या गाएं? रोनित सर. सर रिक्वेस्ट है कि
मैं क्या बोलूं?
आप कुछ गा के सुनाएं.
मैं एक ही बात बोलूंगा. राव ने वाट लावली. राव ने सबकी वाट लावली.
सर
लूट लो.
थैंक यू जेंट्स. चालू हो रहे शो. यहाँ क्या कर रहे हैं? मनीष बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल. हाँ जी. तो क्रिश कैप्चर ही नहीं किया. क्रिश से पूछो. क्रिश जी कैसे लग रहा है? आपकी फिल्म इतनी बड़ी हुई हिट हो गई. कुछ बताइए.
The way he's worked hard, he deserves all the awards this year, and always we wish him always the best.
Thank you.
And the energy he has, fantastic.
And what luck we have together. What a great combination. Myself with Eros. First it was Ram Leela, my breakthrough film, and now my biggest hit, Bajirao Mastani. I am so happy. Hopefully in the coming year also something
Special
maybe.
is happening.
हाँ जी. हाँ। चीते की चाल, बाज की नजर और बाजीराव की तलवार पर संदेह नहीं करता, कभी भी मात दे सकते। बस आगे बोलो। डायलॉग हो गया, डायलॉग, गाना, डांस, आप जो कहेंगे मैं करूँगा। मल्हारी, अरे बजने दे धड़क धड़क ढोल ताशे धड़क धड़क भंडारा चिड़क चिड़क मल्हारी, कड़क तड़क भड़क जाली चटक मटक वटक जाली दुश्मन की देखो जो। Exactly. I love you, Manish. I love you. Why are you not being a responsible host? Go and be on duty. Oh, मनीष का खत्म करो, मैं कहीं नहीं जा रहा, मैं यही हूँ सारी रात। First finish Manish's bites. Then I'm coming back क्योंकि क्या हुआ, मैंने डायलॉग बोल दिया और गाना गा लिया, अब बचा डांस, वो जो ब्रेक के बाद होने वाला है, क्योंकि मनीष आज का होस्ट है, यहाँ टाइम पास कर रहा है, उसको बाइट खत्म कर देने दो ताकि शो शुरू हो सके। मनीष, ओवर टू यू। मेरा बहुत लंबा है, मैं कहीं नहीं जा रहा हूँ, जहाँ कैमरा है मैं वहाँ चिपक जाता हूँ। हाँ, तैयारियाँ अब हो रही हैं। I have dived straight into work. Readings, look tests, everything is started, and it's very, very exciting. It's a light romance, breezy film. It's going to be that's the genre of the film. It's a light romance, and we're going to shoot it in Paris. As soon as my hair grows out, we'll start shooting. अब देर सिर्फ इन बालों की है, और it feels amazing to be working with Adi sir now in different capacity, that of director and actor. It's always, like I said in that video, it's always been one of my dreams, and it's a dream come true to be working under his direction. I started my work on my own, and soon Bani will be joining us for prep, and I'm very excited about this new pairing, and I'm going to hear the music soon, and I'm very, very happy to be working on this film. Oh no, not at all. I also read something. Ranveer has been asked to beef up for Bayfree. It's not true. It's not true. It's going to be. I'm going to be lean, mean, and sexy. Actually, Bayfree is the only movie I'm doing right now. After Bayfree, yes, there are some very exciting prospects. I've been approached for all kinds of films. But I'm still in the process of working out which one is going to be the next one after Bayfree. But what I'm very, very truly excited about is the fact that, you know, there's such good scripts and such interesting characters. So I'm really happy. It's getting difficult to choose, but yeah, hopefully I'll be able to do all of them. But first things first, Bayfree needs to go on the floors, and we need to make good film. So all my energies are focused on Bayfree right now, and enjoying the award season as well. That is true, madam. After Mr. Shah Rukh Khan, I am the only leading man to work under the direction of Aditya Chopra. It's quite cool. The fact that he's the guy who, you know, was the first one who recognized my ability and gave me a break. I said it at an awards function last night. I owe my entire career to the man. I love him to bits. I respect him no end, and he is my mentor, my guru. He's like a father figure to me, like a brother. One of the coolest people I know, and yeah, I think we're gonna be great together. I don't know. Right now I'm focusing on Hindi films. There's a lot of good films coming my way, thankfully, with God's grace. And I'd like to focus on the marquee Hindi film projects as of now. I'm very happy for her. Sultan's a big movie. It's a Yash Raj film, and I'm a Yash Raj boy. So yeah, I wish her all the best. I'm interested to see. Haji, please meet most promising debutante Vicky Kaushal, who was unbelievable in Masan. So proud of you.
Unbelievable in Bajirao.
Thank you.
He's my biggest inspiration.
कितना sexy लग रहा है मुंडा
So
पाजी.
serious.
So much of love pouring in post Bajirao. How do you handle it? Does it ever scare or overwhelm you?
हेलो आपको भी कुछ बोलना है बोलो हेलो
फतेह कौन है?
हाय हाय ये थोड़ा ऊपर बेटा हाँ हाय बोलो हाय किसी ये तो फ्लाइंग किसी ओह
सारे दिन गाती रहती है तुम्हारी पिक्चर के गाने.
Ladies and gentlemen, Sharad Kataria, one of the best, most brightest writing talents of our industry, and also the director of Dum Laga Ke Aisha.
हेलो हाय थैंक यू फॉर द इंट्रोडक्शन. आप भी आओगे? हाँ तो इनको भगा दिया मैं इनको छोड़ने जा रहा हूँ.
लखानी साहब ये हमारे लखानी साहब हैं योगेश लखानी ब्राइट आउटडोर्स सारे आओ
एक मिनट सामने वाला योगेश लगानी है. इन्होंने इंडस्ट्री में सबके होर्डिंग दिए. 20 साल से इंडस्ट्री में आमिर खान, शाहरुख खान, सलमान खान, अक्षय कुमार सबके होर्डिंग इन्होंने दिया. बहुत लकी आदमी है. बिपाशा बासु को भी पहला होर्डिंग इन्होंने दिया था, वो भी सुपर हिट हो गई. कटरीना कैफ को भी इन्होंने दिया था, वो भी सुपर हिट हो गई. बहुत कमाल आदमी है. ये भी लगता है इधर है सर एक साथ.
नहीं मैं कहीं नहीं गया बोलिए बहुत मजा आ रहा है हाँ जी यस प्रोड्यूसर्स गिल्ड अवार्ड देखिए क्या हुआ बिग स्टार एंटरटेनमेंट में रोमांटिक रोल लीडिंग मैन के लिए मिला दिल धड़कने दो फिर स्टारडस्ट अवार्ड्स वी डोंट क्वालिफाई विल क्वालिफाई नेक्स्ट ईयर देन क्योंकि वो दिसंबर रिलीज का मामला होता है फिर कल रात वेरी स्पेशल नाइट फॉर मी आई शेयर द अवार्ड विद माय स्क्रीन आइडल मिस्टर बच्चन best actor in a leading role. It was amazing. It was, what an experience. I can't explain to you what I was feeling. I really can't. It's something I've never felt before. That kind of rush and thrill to be standing there sharing an award with the guy who actually inspired you to be an actor in the first place. An absolutely incredible night. And Mr. Bachchan was so kind. Subhash Ghai was so kind. A really big night for me yesterday. A very, very special honor for me. Lean and sexy. लीन बताना था सेक्सी तो मैं वैसे हाँ जी आगे
I asked you post Bajirao, there is so much of output of love. Does it overwhelm you, scare you? How has it been like?
रोल चलो भाई.
बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ एंड ये सारे बहुत अमेजिंग जा रहे हैं प्रेम रतन हट पायो की वजह से मुझे थोड़े बहुत अवार्ड्स मिल गए सो बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ आज फिल्म फेयर की नॉमिनेशन जो है हमें वाले हैं आई होप
Hi guys. फिल्म फेयर की शाम सब लोग एक्साइटेड होते हैं. आई वांट टू सी कौन कौन नॉमिनेट हुआ है. इस बार मैं नॉमिनेट नहीं हुई हूँ, बट देखते हैं कौन नॉमिनेट हुआ है और उसके बाद हम लोग बैटिंग करते हैं कि कौन जीतने वाला है वो. आई एम वेयरिंग गेमी बाय गैब्रिएला. मेरी बहुत अच्छी दोस्त है गैब्रिएला डिमिट्री है. और मेकअप है तो हम करते हैं और मिड राली एक्सेसरीज. बस रेडी. लेट्स गो. थैंक यू. बाय. Thank you. Thank you. Wait for him.
Did you click? You did? Anybody asking me questions? कोई कुछ पूछ रहा कि मैं जाऊं? हाँ?
How
Yeah.
does it feel to get Filmfare?
I was wondering, I'm like, where's everybody? I'm just standing, I'm like, yeah, let's just stand. Anybody want to give me a drink? I can, just stand there. I'm just kidding. Sorry.
Pratik, tell us about your memories with Filmfare. How was it feel like?
My memories with Filmfare? Always great memories, always great memories. My memories with Filmfare have always been great. I know a lot of people who are friends there and have looked out for me for all these years, and I thank them very much. I'm looking forward to tonight's show and all the stars performing.
Will we see you perform anytime soon? Filmfare?
Inshallah, inshallah soon. Yeah, soon.
Pratik, you're doing an independent film. Can we know more about it?
What would you like to know?
What film is it? Does it have a name yet? And what is your role in it?
The film's called America.
America.
Me and Suraj Sharma play brothers in the film, and it should be coming out in a few months in India.
Who is the director?
It's Prashant Nair. Director of my film is Prashant Nair. Thank you.
पर मेरे विजुअल्स तुम लोग एडिट करने पड़ेंगे मैं वही कहा
Thank you.
Hello. Familiar faces.
Manish, you are exposing us to the new look of yours.
Yes, I mean, I've been working really hard on this change, transformation, whatever people are calling it. And I'm also experimenting with my looks, trying to understand what's looking good, what's not. So yeah, I'm trying to be as fresh and new as possible. You know, that's such a big compliment because I think she's got one of the most banging bodies in Bollywood. She's so fit. But yeah, I wish I can. I wish I can reach that stage at some point.
Maybe tell us about your next film. How's the preparation going around here?
Well, it's going really great. It's called Man Marziya. It's with Ayushmann and Vicky. I'm sure you guys know. And it's set in Punjab. It's a beautiful love story. And there are a whole bunch of things that we are doing. We've started workshopping for the film as well. And it's just
What about your
amazing.
role? What kind of a role would it be? Would it be the
It's very unlike Sandhya. It's very away from what I did in Dam Laga Ke Haisha. And I think there should be a little mystery to it. So I'm going to let you all, and that's all the information.
Enjoy the show.
Thank you, bye-bye.
थोड़ा ऊंचा बोल रहे हैं सुनाई नहीं दिया
संजय सर, अवार्ड्स के बारे में पहले बताइए. How's it been award? How important is an award in your life?
देखिए अवार्ड मिल जाए तो अच्छा लगता है अपने काम की एक वैलिडेशन मिलती है जो अवार्ड्स देते हैं चाहे वो आपकी फिल्म हो चाहे आपका अपना काम हो तो अच्छा ही लगता है किसी भी किस्म का कोई चाहे ऑडियंस सराहे या फेस्टिवल सराहे या पॉपुलर अवार्ड सराहे अच्छा ही लगता है किसी भी अभिनेता को निर्माता को निर्देशक को या जो भी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री से जुड़े हैं
सर, मूवी के अच्छे रिव्यूज भी आए हैं. What is your personal feeling like?
शुक्रगुजार हूँ कि क्रिटिक्स को फिल्म पसंद आई मेरी चौरंगा अब दर्शकों पर अब उनकी हो गई है फिल्म हमारी नहीं रही अब उनके अवार्ड्स का इंतज़ार है
सर, वजीर के साथ रिलीज हुई है तो ऐसा कुछ विश था कि शायद सोलो रिलीज होना चाहिए था.
देखिए आज के वक्त में सोलो रिलीज़ महारथियों को ही मिलता है
और हम बहुत मुश्किल है। हर जुम्मे को, हर शुक्रवार को बहुत फिल्में रिलीज़ होती हैं। मैं चाहता हूँ कि वज़ीर अच्छा करे और वहाँ पर जब दर्शक आए तो हमें भी नोटिस कर लें।
Thank you very much, sir.
थैंक यू।
Hi guys.
Sir, I'm sure you must have dreamed about this moment, walking the red carpet at Filmfare. How does it feel finally?
Absolutely feels amazing. It literally feels like a dream come true. I think it's always been something I wanted to do, and I'm really glad that I have this opportunity.
Will we see you perform at Filmfare this time around?
I don't know. Let's see. It depends on the Filmfare people. I would love to perform for Filmfare first, and whenever they give me an opportunity, I would love to be a part of it.
Does Shahid have any performances lined up?
I don't know. I have no idea.
Tell us more about the film that is lined up with Park.
I am just going through lots of scripts and I'm reading them and I'm figuring out what to do next. So there isn't anything definite, honestly speaking. It's just everything that is script level. So
But you're doing the film, right?
depends. I haven't read the script yet, so I'm gonna read the script, see if it's something that I like. Then yeah, definitely why not? Otherwise, maybe next time.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Thanks, guys. You done? Thank you.
भाई 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 सुनो 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 उसका अपने किसी का मोबाइल वो लिया है क्या? किसका लिया है ना आपने? वो मॉडल थी कोई तो नहीं, कोई नहीं।
I think it's a perfect mix of what I would call a mix between art and mart. So you've got very big commercial cinema that's done really well. So Bajrangi Bhaijaan, Dilwale.
What kind of sizzling performances we can expect this time around?
So I'm not going to give too much away, but I think I'm safe to say that. Thank you.
Amazing. I'm so happy that everybody has really liked it. The audiences are really pouring in their love, sending us the most amazing messages and the most amazing feedback. So very happy. Word of mouth is really strong, and I think all of us are really excited, and I hope that this continues. And please keep sending the love. We love you, so send it back to us. Well, at the moment, I'm enjoying the whole experience of Wazir. After this, there's Fitur and Sudhir sir's film or Detas. I'm sorry, my throat is very bad, so I can't speak. I don't want to talk about Fitur just now because they've just started. So when the time is right, I'll tell you. Of Fitur, because I'm doing a very special part. So I don't think they want to reveal that just now.
Aditi, you look so fair now. We are only able to see your lips. Just smile louder.
I think I'm also looking extra. I think I'm looking pale because I'm not well.
And now it's time.
Thank you.
Hi, hi, hi. How are you? How are you?
Ayushman, which segment will we see you host this time at
No, I'm not hosting this time. I'm just in the audience, and I'm just crossing fingers for Dum Laga Ke Aisha to win as many awards as possible for music, for everything. Yeah.
Manmarzia is also coming up. Tell us more about your role.
We'll be shooting Feb onwards, and Manmarzia is a beautiful love story, and Bhumi and I are together again in a whole new avatar, especially Bhumi slimming down and me going back to Punjab again.
Filmfare is known for its witty acts. Which superstar are you looking forward to on stage hosting you?
I guess I'm looking forward to seeing Ranveer on stage. I think he's always quirky and full of life. That's it?
We saw your brother also.
Okay. हाँ मतलब हाँ भाई किसने प्रतिभाशाली तो है नहीं आई थिंक ज्ञान दर्शन देने की जरूरत नहीं है वो खुद ही बहुत टैलेंटेड है हाँ दंगल में मेरे भाई दिखाई देंगे नहीं अंदर की बात मुझे सब बताते नहीं उनको लगता है मैं सब कुछ बोल दूंगा सबके सामने इसलिए अंदर की बात मुझे बताते नहीं नथिंग एट ऑल बस यही है कि हाँ वो हरियाणवी बोल रहे हैं जो बहुत मज़ेदार है That's it. Thank you so much.
First time at Filmfare, how does it feel?
Feels really, really special. I've grown up watching these awards, and it feels like a dream come true. I'm seeing you again. What is the question now you wanted to ask? Of course. ये तो सपना ही है. I think this is such a dream come true because बचपन से मैं ये awards देख रही हूँ. Red carpet, सब कुछ. So I think it's a very special moment, and I'm really happy and proud to be here. बिल्कुल नहीं होना चाहिए. Dreams should be larger than life and should be big. No, not at all. I think I have a long way to go, and Sonam has reached that level because of so much experience, and I don't think I'm anywhere close to her level. I think she's, like everybody says, the style icon of our country. So yeah, that's a long way to go. That's a very high.
Being compared to Sonam, how do you take those compliments?
I think she's beautiful. So that kind of coming. Thank you.
हाय हाय
कार्तिक ये पूछना चाहती हूँ
हाँ जी पूछिए कितने अवार्ड्स मिल गए और अभी मैं नाम ले सकता हूँ क्या दूसरे अवार्ड्स के मिल गए अवार्ड्स मिल गए इस साल एंड आई मीन लास्ट ईयर एंड फिल्म फेयर से एक्सपेक्टेशंस होती हैं हर बार और सबसे बड़ा वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट अवार्ड शो है फिल्म फेयर एंड मोस्ट प्रेस्टिजियस अवार्ड शो सो रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू द पार्टी राइट नाउ एंड उसके बाद देखते हैं क्या होता है बट इट्स अ बिग थिंग फिल्म फेयर का पार्ट होना इट्स अ बिग थिंग
शाहरुख खान होस्ट कर रहे हैं शायद ऐसा सुनने में आया है
जी बहुत बड़ी बात है शाहरुख सर होस्ट कर रहे हैं एंड बहुत मतलब मेरे आइडल रह चुके मैं रोल मॉडल की तरह उन्हें देखता हूँ उन्होंने अपना निश क्रिएट किया है काफ़ी इंडस्ट्री में एंड तो उनकी होस्टिंग हमेशा से वो बहुत विटी है तो स्टेज पे भी बहुत विटी उनका विट दिखने वाला है एंड रियली लुकिंग कांट वेट फॉर फिल्म फेयर अवार्ड शो आगे जल्दी अनाउंसमेंट होने वाला है कौन सी फिल्म का एंड आई थिंक एंड ऑफ दिस मंथ या फरवरी तक कुछ अनाउंसमेंट हो जाएगा थैंक यू सो मच
Anyone asking? No? I'm here. कोशिश कर. How you doing? You good? Bye. Can I look at it? Yes. I obviously want a Filmfare Award. I want that Black Beauty, of course, yes. मुझे नहीं पता. I don't know. I have no idea. Yes. Sorry? Obviously, अगर शाहरुख सर करे तो why not? Yeah, I would love to enjoy the night with the big King Khan on stage. I don't know. We're seeing. I want to perform. I don't know if they'll let me perform.